Hey folks, Mike Rowe here, and today, we're swapping out the usual coveralls and work boots for something a little different. A hard hat, some safety goggles, and a front row seat to the heart of a modern car factory. If you've ever wondered what it's like to be right in the middle of the action, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and sheer energy of a place where cars are born, you're in for a treat. That's right, we're talking about those massive, almost otherworldly spaces where raw steel and aluminum are transformed piece by piece into gleaming, brand new cars. It's a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and where the magic of modern manufacturing is on full display. Every corner of this factory is alive with movement, robots sparking and welding, conveyor belts humming, and workers moving with practiced precision. Now I've gotten my hands dirty in some pretty interesting places over the years, sewers, oil rigs, you name it, but let me tell you, there's something uniquely captivating about a car assembly line. Here, every nut, bolt, and panel has a purpose, and every worker is a vital part of a much larger story. It's a place where you can literally feel the pulse of progress. It's a symphony of machinery, technology, and human skill, all working together in perfect harmony. The choreography is mesmerizing. Robotic arms swing with mechanical grace, while skilled hands guide and assemble with care. It's a dance that's been refined over decades, blending old-school craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation. Today, we're going to spend the entire day on the factory floor, following the journey of a car from its humble beginnings as a bare metal frame to its grand finale as a shiny new ride, ready to roll out onto the open road. We'll see how each part comes together step by step, and how every detail matters in the quest for perfection. We'll be right there in the thick of it, witnessing each step of the process, meeting the hardworking men and women who make it all happen, and getting up close and personal with some seriously impressive machinery. These folks are the unsung heroes of the automotive world, and their dedication and expertise are what keep the wheels turning, literally. This isn't just about bolting on a few parts, it's about understanding the intricate dance of engineering and craftsmanship that goes into building something as complex as a car. Every component, from the smallest screw to the largest panel, has to fit perfectly. It's a process that demands patience, precision, and a whole lot of teamwork. And let's not forget about quality control. Before any car leaves this factory, it's put through a battery of tests and inspections to make sure it meets the highest standards. It's all about pride in the finished product, and making sure that every car is safe, reliable, and ready for the road ahead. So buckle up, folks, because it's going to be a wild ride. We're about to see firsthand just how much work, ingenuity, and passion goes into every vehicle that rolls off this line. Trust me, by the end of the day, you'll never look at your car the same way again. Now before we get started, let's talk safety. In a place like this, safety isn't just a suggestion, it's a way of life. Every worker here knows that staying alert and following the rules is the key to keeping everyone safe and the operation running smoothly. Just like any factory floor, this place has its share of potential hazards. There's moving machinery everywhere, conveyor belts that never stop, and forklifts zipping by with heavy loads. It's a high-energy environment, and you've got to keep your wits about you at all times. We've got massive robotic arms swinging into action, heavy equipment rolling through tight spaces, and enough electricity flowing through these machines to power a small city. It's impressive, but it also means you have to respect the environment and always be aware of what's happening around you. So, listen up to those safety briefings, wear your protective gear, hard hats, goggles, gloves, you name it, and stay aware of your surroundings at all times. It's all about looking out for yourself and your teammates, because in a place like this, everyone's safety depends on everyone else. Safety first, folks, because the last thing we want is to put a wrench in the works, literally. So let's get ready, stay sharp, and dive into the incredible world of car manufacturing. The adventure starts now. Our journey begins in a cavernous hall that seems to stretch on forever. The sheer scale of this place is almost overwhelming. Rows upon rows of machinery, bright overhead lights, and the constant hum of activity fill the air. It's a world unto itself, where the birth of every car begins with a spark of ingenuity and a mountain of raw materials. Giant overhead cranes glide along tracks high above, their movements precise and almost graceful despite their size. Suspended from these cranes are what look like car skeletons, bare metal frames that form the foundation of every vehicle. These frames dangle in the air, swaying gently as they're transported from one end of the hall to the other, a silent parade of potential. These frames arrive on a constant conveyor belt, each one perfectly spaced and ready for its transformation. The rhythm of the line is mesmerizing, frame after frame, moving forward with mechanical precision, each destined to become a unique vehicle. It's a dance of engineering and timing where every second counts. It's like watching a metal skeleton come to life. First up, the underbody gets fitted. That's the floor of the car, the part you never really see but definitely feel when you're cruising down the road. This crucial step lays the groundwork for everything that follows, providing strength and stability to the entire structure. Without this solid foundation, the car would never survive the rigors of the road. Teams of skilled workers, armed with impact wrenches and air hoses, swarm the frames, attaching suspension components, brake lines, and fuel lines with impressive speed and precision. Each worker knows their role by heart, moving in perfect sync with the others. It's a carefully choreographed ballet of human skill and machine power, where every bolt and hose is essential to the car's future performance and safety. Sparks fly as welders join pieces of metal together, creating a symphony of light and sound. Each weld is crucial, ensuring the structural integrity of the vehicle. The air is filled with the sharp scent of hot metal and the crackle of electricity as these craftsmen fuse steel with pinpoint accuracy. Their work is the backbone of the car, holding everything together through every twist and turn. These guys are artists with their torches, creating seams so smooth they look like they were drawn on. It's hot, noisy work, but these guys make it look easy. Their steady hands and sharp eyes ensure that every joint is flawless, every seam strong. The pride they take in their craft is evident in every glowing bead of molten metal. As we move down the line, the skeletons start to take shape. Wheels and tires appear seemingly out of thin air and are bolted on with pneumatic wrenches. The once bare frames now begin to resemble the cars we see on the road, each new addition bringing them closer to life. The sound of the wrenches echoes through the hall, a sign that progress is being made with every turn. The air hisses, the wrenches whine, and in seconds, the car is standing on its own four wheels, ready for the next stage of its evolution. It's a moment of transformation. The skeleton is no longer just a frame, but the beginnings of a real, tangible vehicle. There's a sense of anticipation in the air, as if the cars themselves are eager to roll forward. It's amazing to see how quickly these basic components come together, and we're just getting started. The journey from raw metal to finished car is a marvel of modern engineering, and every step along the way is a testament to human ingenuity and teamwork. As we continue down the line, the excitement builds. Each frame, each weld, each bolt brings us closer to the moment when these skeletons on wheels will finally come to life and hit the open road. Next up, we enter the engine room. And no, I'm not talking about some cramped, greasy compartment on a ship. This engine room is a marvel of modern engineering, where gleaming engines descend from the ceiling on automated platforms, ready to be lowered into the waiting car bodies. These aren't your grandpa's engines, folks. We're talking high-tech, computer-controlled powerhouses that are as efficient as they are powerful. Each engine is carefully lowered into place, its transmission already attached and bolted securely to the chassis. The precision is incredible. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance between man and machine. Speaking of machines, this is where the robots really steal the show. Giant robotic arms, each with multiple joints and specialized tools, move with balletic grace, lifting, positioning, and securing heavy components with ease. These robots work alongside their human counterparts, performing tasks that would be impossible for humans alone. It's a testament to the incredible advances in robotics and automation, but it's also a reminder that humans are still very much a part of this process. The robots may have the brawn, but it's the humans who provide the brains, programming the machines, overseeing their operations, and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. It's a true partnership between man and machine. With the engine securely in place, the car starts to look like, well, a car. The transformation is remarkable. What was once a bare skeleton of metal and bolts now begins to take on a recognizable shape, hinting at the finished product that will soon roll off the line. The sense of anticipation is almost tangible as each new component is added, bringing the vehicle one step closer to completion. We move into the body assembly area, where doors, hoods, and trunk lids are fitted with a satisfying thud. Each piece is more than just a panel. It's a gateway, a shield, and a statement of design. The sound of metal meeting metal echoes through the factory, a rhythmic soundtrack to the creation process. These aren't just slapped on either. Each piece is carefully aligned, adjusted, and secured to ensure a perfect fit and finish. Workers use specialized tools and their trained eyes to make micro-adjustments, ensuring that every seam is even and every edge lines up flawlessly. This attention to detail is what separates a quality vehicle from the rest, and it's a process that requires both patience and skill. Inside the car, the dashboard assembly is like watching a jigsaw puzzle come together. Each component has its place, and the process is both methodical and mesmerizing. The dashboard isn't just a control center, it's the face of the car's interior, where technology and design meet to create an environment that's both functional and inviting. Workers install instrument panels, steering wheels and center consoles with practiced ease, their hands moving with the speed and precision of seasoned pianists. Every button, dial and display is checked and double-checked, ensuring that everything works perfectly and feels just right to the touch. It's a dance of dexterity and focus, honed by years of experience. Wires snake through pre-cut channels, connecting the car's nervous system and bringing it one step closer to life. These hidden veins carry power and information, linking every electronic feature from the headlights to the infotainment system. The complexity is staggering, yet the process is executed with remarkable efficiency. It's here that the personality of the car really starts to shine through. The choice of materials, the layout of controls, and the subtle design touches all come together to create a unique identity for each model. Whether it's sporty, luxurious, or practical, the interior tells a story about the car and its intended driver. Different models roll down the line, each with its own unique interior trim, color schemes, and features. Some boast bold colors and high-tech displays, while others offer understated elegance and classic comfort. The variety is impressive, reflecting the diverse tastes and needs of drivers around the world. From basic models to luxury editions, each car is treated with the same care and attention to detail. Quality checks are performed at every stage, ensuring that even the most affordable model meets the same high standards as its premium counterparts. It's a philosophy that values craftsmanship and consistency above all else. As we watch the cars move down the line, it's hard not to be impressed by the sheer volume of parts and components that go into each one. From tiny screws to massive body panels, every element has a specific role to play. The organization required to keep everything flowing smoothly is nothing short of astounding. It's a logistical marvel, with parts arriving just in time, precisely when they're needed, from all corners of the factory and beyond. Automated systems and human workers coordinate in perfect harmony, ensuring that the right part is always in the right place at the right moment. This just-in-time delivery system minimizes waste and maximizes efficiency, keeping the entire operation running like clockwork. It's a testament to the power of modern manufacturing and the importance of a well-coordinated supply chain. Every person, every machine, and every process is part of a larger symphony, working together to turn raw materials into dreams on wheels. In this world of doors, dashboards, and dreams, the journey from parts to finished car is as inspiring as the destination itself. Our journey takes us next into a section of the factory that resembles a scene from a science fiction film. Here, amidst a maze of wires, cables, and electronic components, the car's nervous system is brought to life. Skilled technicians, armed with wiring diagrams and specialized tools, work with meticulous care, connecting the intricate web of wires that control everything from the engine and transmission to the entertainment system and power windows. It's a delicate and intricate process requiring a keen eye for detail and a steady hand. Overhead, robotic arms with laser-guided precision install windshields and rear windows, applying adhesive and ensuring a watertight seal. The air is filled with the hum of machinery and the soft hiss of pneumatic tools, a symphony of modern manufacturing. As the cars move down the line, they undergo a series of rigorous electrical tests. Computers run diagnostics, checking for any faults or errors in the system. It's like giving the car a brain scan, making sure everything is firing on all cylinders, or at least will be once the engine roars to life.